Good morning, guys. It's a pajama day. Hey, get out of here. I said I'm gonna take a picture. Come on. Troy, come on. You don't want any? You don't want picture? Okay. Say cheese. Cheese. Well, I can't see the pajama because you guys are covering it. Okay, do it like that. It's pajama day.
Pajama day. Pajama day.
Alright, let's go. Hi, guys. So, di ba? Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog pag-uwi. So, happy Friday. So, today is last day ng School of the Year 2025. And, ano oras na? Ayun na pong oras, 12:47 na. Dahil ako'y nakatulog, guys, nung pag-uwi ko. Kasi, alam nyo, since nung nag-start ang December, nasa bahay lang yung mga kids because of walang school, like 2-hour delay, ganyan. And then, daddy is home na for, you know, day off niya, ganyan. So, laging meron akong kasama dito sa bahay. So, and then last week, same thing. One day lang sila nag-school. And then, now, na tong week na to, nung bumalik sila ng school, that was, Tuesday. Yung balik nila sa school after ng mga snowstorm. Day off naman ni daddy. Yun. So, day off niya. And then, so yeah, as in like today is my last, last day ulit na mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay. So, kahapon kasi, 'di ba, halos umaalis tayo, like pumupunta ko saan. So, wala tayong nagagawa as in. So, ngayon, dahil mag-isa lang ako sa bahay, magra-raft tayo ng present. So, itong mga babalutin natin is pang Secret Santa. So, meron kaming early Secret Santa sa Sunday. So, ano ba yung sipog ko? So, yun yung babalutin natin. And magbabalot din ako ng iba, like gift na aking mother-in-law. Basta yung mga babalutin na lang natin is from Sunday. For Sunday. At saka yung mga gift din ng iba, na mga bagets para yung hindi galing kay Santa, ha. Hindi pa muna natin yan babalutin. Babalutin natin yan. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng different na pambalot. Kasi baka mamaya sabihin bakit parehas ng balot yung kay Santa dito sa mga gift, diba? So, maghahanap tayo ng ibang gift wrap para doon. And, so yeah. Let's go and gawin na natin to kasi, yeah. Nakatulog kasi ako kaganina as in talagang yung araw-araw akong madaling araw nang natutulog dahil nga ginagawa ko itong Elf on the Shelf na to. As in, hinihintay ko pa talaga silang matulog para lang masigurado na walang lalabas, walang, yung ganun talaga. Kasi, syempre hinahawakan mo tong elf na to. Kaya, sasabihin, pag nakita nila, bakit hinahawakan mo? Bakit ikaw gumagawa ng ganito? Alam mo na. So, si Chad is 10 years old na. So, hopefully, he still believe dito sa elf na to. And, dahil next year, 11 years old na siya, guys. Tapos si Caleb, 10 years old na. Ay! Naku, wag tayo mag-start sa ganyan. But anyways, mag-start wrapping na tayo. So, ito yung babalutin ko muna. So, nakalagay siya dyan. And I think, hindi siya nakabox. Nakabox siya, pero makikita yung kung ano yung nasa labas. Let's go and start wrapping present!
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So guys, tapos na tayo. Medyo na-lowbat yung aking ang aking camera. So, charge ko siya ngayon. But anyway, so tapos na tayo. Hindi ko nabalot lahat. So, ang binalot ko lang talaga ngayon is yung para sa aming white elephant for Sunday. And then, yung mga gift lang ng aking mother-in-law. Kasi sobrang dami na ng kalat sa kwarto. Kasi doon talaga lahat nakalagay. Yep. Hindi ko na papakita sa inyo yung kalat ng kwarto namin. Sobrang kalat talaga. As in, lahat naka-cover ng blanket para lang hindi makita ng mga bagets. So, ito, pakita ko na sa inyo. So, ayan. So, itong dalawa na yan, it's for white elephant. Tapos, itong tatlo na yan para sa aking mother-in-law. So, yeah. Ayun yung mga kalat na nakuha ni... Hindi naman kalat. Mga nakuha ni Troy tsaka ni Natalia sa kanilang school yesterday. So, itong dalawa na to para sa white elephant doon sa bahay ng kapatid ng mother-in-law ko na lagi namin pinupuntahan every New Year's Eve. Tapos itong dalawa na to sa bahay ng aking mother-in-law. So yeah, and I am really done. So meron din pala kaming gift for our bus driver kasi siya yung siya yung nag-start mag-pick up sa mga bata since kay Chad pa. Pre-K si Chad since yon siya na yung kanilang bus driver, diba? And na si Chad 5th grade na siya. Pinag-isipan. So ito, yan, meron tayong Starbucks na gift card dito, tapos Christmas card, and itong butter cookie. Ayan. So, bibigay natin yan sa kanya mamaya. Pagkasundo natin sa mga bagets. And maya na yun. So, yeah. I am so done. I am done for today. Now, hindi. Darating din yung kaibigan nila Chad kasi nag-message yung mom niya na kung pwede dito muna siya sa amin hanggang pick upin siya ng kanyang tatay. So, ayan, 2:15 na. So, maya-maya, tayo. Larga na tayo sa bus stop. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na to or what Pero ayan siya, yung aming family ornament this year, 2025. Ayan. So, every year guys, meron tayong ornaments. And ito yung 2025 na ornaments nila galing sa school. Ayan, si Caleb. And si Natalia pala. Si Natalia, si Caleb. Yung kay Troy, hindi pa nakukuha. We are home! Sissy, let me see your pajamas. Oh, meron siyang kamachi-machi kaklase niya. Did you get a picture with Millie?
Yes.
Yeah, well, Miss Clark sent it to me.
Look.
Yeah.
He's waving at me.
Yep.
Hello.
And then Troy, let me see your pajamas.
Snowman.
Yung ating
Grinch.
yeah, he's a Grinch.
Mom.
Show them your Troy's ornaments. Ayan, ito yung kay Troy, guys.
Mommy, love
Ayan, kay
it. What if I
Troy.
throw it down and it breaks?
Compare natin from this year to last year. Hold on.
comparing
Yeah.
the
So, this last year, compare natin.
compared to the limit that we
Oh my gosh, he looks so different in here, you guys.
Mom, can I look?
Look, he's so different.
See. I can't
Gusto niya na i-open yung kanyang ano.
try open
I know, but we gotta go to see Momo first because her Aunt Connie is down there. Okay? Hi guys. Sobrang madaling araw na po. Ano na, 12 na naman. But, yeah, nakalimutan ko na nagva-vlog pala ako. So, natapos ko na yung Elf on the Shelf. And, yeah. Oh yeah, ito pala yung ornament ni Chad. Ayan. Pinakita ko ba yung ornament ni Troy? Hindi ko oo, pinakita ko ganyan. So, ayan, yung ornament ni Kuya Chad for this 2025 Christmas ornament. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating Elf on the Shelf. So, ayan sila guys. Invisible sila today. So, sobrang madalian lang talaga to. So, happy first day of Christmas break. We're invisible. You guys can't see us, but we can see you. So, be good. We have 5 days after Christmas. So, ayan. Invisible sila ngayon. So, ayan. Dahil malapit na tayong matapos, 4 days na lang tong gagawin natin. And I cannot believe malapit na matapos. And Christmas na. Oh my gosh, ang bilis ng panahon. Grabe. But anyways, matutulog na ako guys. Kasi talagang inaantok na ako. Dahil talagang, ito talaga yung ko, late na ako natutulog dahil, yeah. Parang sinasabi ko to every night na ginagawa ko tong Elf on the Shelf. Na, make sure na tulog sila bago ko gumawa kasi, but anyways, so matutulog na ako guys. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin today. And, be good. Good night. Read it. Say happy first of Christmas
of Christmas
break.
break. We're invisible. You guys can't see us, but we can see you. So be good. We have 5 days till Christmas.
Good job reading, Troy.
I read the whole entire sentence.
Yeah, good job reading. So, ayan guys, aga-aga. Wala pang 6:30, gising na silang dalawa. Good morning, sis.
Aga. Do you want to play? See us, but we can't see you. So be good. We have 5 days till Christmas. Mom, you know I just
Good job.
Have you jumped in?
That's
He read it
good.
two times a day. At first, he couldn't read the Christmas break, so I told him how to read it. So he did read it.
Good
Then
job.
I start from the beginning and then say Christmas break and then
First.
read
Yeah,
all of it.
Very good, Troy. That's awesome.
that's a good job reading, Bobby. You're only kindergarten, huh? And you know
Yeah.
how to read already.
Yeah, because I was reading at school.
Yeah.
And yesterday we couldn't see our elf at school.
Oh, you did
And
it?
my classmate. In my class.
Yeah.
Could see them.
You can't see them? That's okay.
Couldn't see them.
You have your elf here.
I was telling everyone to look under the table.
And?
And there was nothing under.
Oh. What are they doing? Can you read the letter? Be careful, don't hit the table.
We're playing game with our new friends.
Ang galing na niya magbasa.
I don't know what this
What is it? Let me see. While
you all
some
sleeping.
Yep, sleeping.
Love Buddy and Snowflake.
Good job reading, Troy. Wow. Okay, just leave it there so Kuya and them can.
And they also had the Uno card.
Yep, they're playing. Good job reading, Troy. Wow, you're reading so good, huh?
Where's my
Huh?
like
Mario is playing. Luigi's playing. Barbie is playing.
Mom?
Mm.
Why is my Mickey Mouse plushie not playing?
Don't move the table because they're gonna. Good morning, guys.
Here it is.
Oh, that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, well, just leave it
That's
there.
playing.
Okay. Okay, just leave it there then. Silly boy.
That's playing there.
Yeah. Say good morning, guys. What's that?
That's a plaything.
Okay, throw that in the trash. Nakalimutan ko itapon yung...
This one.
Oh, don't! I told you not to hit it. Don't move the table because they're all gonna fall down. It's okay. Just leave Mario like that, laying down. It's okay.
No, he's sleeping.
I'm pretty sure all of you are gonna be hitting the table later on. So, good morning, guys. Happy Monday. So today is December 22. So, ano na lang, 2 days na lang Christmas. Kinakount ko na lang na 2 days because of dahil sa Wednesday is Christmas Eve na, o diba? But yeah, oh my gosh, ang bilis ang panahon. Christmas na. Oh my gosh. Come here, say hi. Say good
Where's
morning.
my race car track?
What do you mean?
My race car track.
I don't know. They're all probably over there. So, nagpunta kami sa aming White Elephant game last night. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi in-enjoy ko na lang kasi lagi na lang ako nag-vlog at saka yung mga kasama ko is a type shy people. So, kahit nagtitake ako ng pictures last night, ayaw nila ng pictures kasi alam nila i-upload ko. Be careful not to hit the table. Okay, good job. Okay, well, we're not gonna put that up right now, okay? So, yung mga tito and tita nila, yung mga tita nila, tita lang pala, walang tito dahil,
Wait.
binigay na sa kanila yung mga gift nila. So, nag-open din sila ng mga gift.
Mom, look. My Skanky playing.
Okay.
With the card.
Yeah.
Skanky's playing
Okay,
with the
don't
card.
hit it. I told you, don't be hitting the table because we can't touch Buddy and Snowflakes pag nahulog sila. So, ayun. So, marami din silang gift na nakuha sa kanilang tita Ashley and tita Angela nila. So, meron silang mga nakuha doon. So, ayun. So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Paano natin sa mga bagets. So, pupunta rin dito yung kaibigan ni Kuya Chad. Mag-i-stay siya dito. Ayan, see, I told you. Now we cannot touch it. Nahulog na who's that? Snowflakes or
Snowflake.
Buddy? Oh, Snowflakes. So, pupunta siya dito and hindi nila alam kasi hindi ko sinabi. So, yan. Dito na yun maya-maya. Kaya, naano ko kasi hindi na tuloy ako makakatulog. But anyways, yan. Maglalaba tayo today kasi marami tayong labahan.
Mom, you can touch him and pick him back up.
I can touch him?
Yeah.
Why? How? Also, mommy are allowed to touch it?
Yeah. Mama's told there is a grandma or grown up, they can pick us up.
Oh, so we can?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
Mama told me.
Oh, Mama told you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, a long time ago.
A long time ago and you remember?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. No, I didn't know. Pwede palang hawakan.
So, do you want to put
No, I
it back
don't
up?
want to. Do you want to touch it? Do you want to do it? What's gonna happen if you touch it?
Magic going to go away.
Okay then. Why are you gonna touch? Are you really gonna touch it?
No?
Okay then. Maybe they're going to let you touch them when it's last day. You know how many days you know on Wednesday you know Santa's going to pick them up on Wednesday, right? On Christmas Eve, Santa's going to pick them up, right?
So we get to see Santa.
Yeah.
So Dad can take another
Your
picture of
their-
Santa.
their last day is Wednesday. Right? And then you will see them again next year. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, why did you shake my head?
Arte mo. Good morning. What is this? Glasses? Alright, you wanna hold this for me? No, don't. Use it on the bottom. There you go. I gotta clean Sissy's glasses. Alululululu. Let me see your shirt. Dito na yung...
You're moving my arm.
It's okay. Nandito na yung friend nila. Yung ginigising na sila. Kakaloka.
I just put it this.
Okay. Oink. I think it's good. Okay.
I showed it. I'm showing it to the tree.
Yeah. Good? Yeah. Now we can go back to sleep, don't we? You silly girl. Can I have a kiss? Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep good?
Yeah.
You did? Good. I'm glad you did. How many days till Christmas? When is that?
3.
3? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think what do you think did Diyos Maria Joseph, ang aga mag-English, Diyos Maria Joseph. What did you want for Santa to get you?
An Elsa bike.
An Elsa bike? And what else? Is that all you want from Santa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you want Mommy and Daddy to get you?
I'm going to show Levi.
What do you want Mommy and Daddy to get you for Christmas? That's all you want? Just the Elsa bike?
I can't think of anything else.
You can't think of anything else? Ay, ay, ay. It's okay. Mommy knows what you like, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So she wants an Elsa bike, guys. Elsa bike from Santa. Don't you know? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say no school today. We're on Christmas break.
No school today. We're on Christmas break.
Oh my God. Ano klase? Silly girl. Let me kiss.
I need to wipe my eyes
Wipe your eye. Why?
because they're wet.
You're what?
Yeah, when I wake up, we always get wet.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Kuya Zop, ginising siya ng mga friends niya. We're
playing a game with our new friends.
let her read it. Just help her. She wants you to help her. Say, we're early in the morning, ha, Kuya? It's only 7:42 and you guys are probably ready.
What?
Huh? What's that?
Look what I can do.
Yeah.
Open,
Alright.
close, open,
Uh,
close, open.
Luigi has the upper hand because he has a skip.
I don't know what Barbie does.
Oh, Barbie.
She has two arrows.
She has a wild draw 4.
Oh, really?
Yes. And then I think her next card is either a skip or it's either
Ano mo,
1, 2,
Buddy's the
3,
one.
4,
Troy,
5, 6,
Troy
7.
kind of like hit the table, so Snowflake. And then Troy was like, Mommy, you can touch Snowflakes. You can fix him. Her.
I'm able to have my phone.
Not yet, dude.
It's too late.
It's too early.
It's too early to be playing.
Just turn the TV on in there for now. So guys, ito yung reason kung bakit ayaw ko pumupunta yung kaibigan nila dito ng napakaaga kasi naka-cellphone agad sila. And tira mo, hindi pa nga nagbe-breakfast. Naka-cellphone na agad. So, ngayon lang to dahil matagal na nilang inaano na mag-stay siya dito. So, ay nako. Ang aga-aga pa, Diyos ko po. 7:45 pa lang oh. Sa cellphone na agad. Kakainis. Puro game lang naman ang ginagawa. Kaya, medyo maaga pa para sa game. Dahil 2 weeks lang naka-off. So, yeah. So guys, so nag-start ako ng vlog this morning pero that's it. Yun lang yung vlog ko this morning. And then kagahapon din, nag-vlog din ako kahapon ng umaga pero hindi ko na I don't know. But anyways, magwa 1 o'clock na naman. So, eto, natapos na natin ang ating Elf on the Shelf. So, ayan na siya. So, it's a hot chocolate. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan. Ano siya? Star Wars cup. 6 nakalagay dyan. And then, bumili si dati ng hot chocolate bomb na ilalagay sa hot chocolate. And then, ito yung note na ginawa natin. Hello guys, how about a nice cup? Ay hot cocoa before we go. O, diba? Yan, 2 days till Christmas, guys. Mag-wrap tayo ng present kasi hindi pa tayo tapos mag-wrap ng present. Especially yung mga gift ni Santa. So, yun yung mga last minute na i-wrap natin. Kasi syempre ayoko naman na makita ng mga bata. Ganon. So, at saka, nakabili na rin tayo ng wrapper. Si Daddy pala nakabili ng wrapper. Hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo yung mga nakuha ni Troy, Chad, Caleb, Natalia nung White Elephant nung nag-game kami kahapon. So ito guys, nakuha ni Troy. Regalo sa kanya ng kanyang tita Ashley, ng kanyang auntie Ashley. Tapos guys, ito naman ang regalo sa kanya ng, I think 2 yung niregalo sa kanya. Hindi ko lang sure. No. Yeah, 2 yung niregalo sa kanya. Isang ganito at saka yung car na yon. So, this is from Auntie Ashley niya. Tapos, hindi ko na alam kung kanino, kay Chad at kay Caleb dito. But, ito. Ayan. Hindi ko na alam kung kanino to mga to. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, ito is book. Ayan. Ito yung naman galing kay Auntie Angela nila. Pareha silang may book. Ayan. Tapos, itong wall robot, wall-e. Hindi ko alam kung kanino yan. Hindi ko na matandaan kung kanino na ibigay yan. Tapos yan, book din to. Ayan, book din siya. Parehas lang sila. And then ito naman, ay ito ata kay Caleb. Itong programming robot. Ayan. Yung kay Natalia guys, hindi ko na may papakita sa inyo kasi inano na niya, inassemble na niya. But binilhan siya ng tita niya ng Barbie. May Barbie. Tapos at saka gymnastic. Si Troy naman nakuha niyang regalo kay Auntie Angela niya, Spider-Man na bonnet, tsaka gloves, at tsaka blanket. So, yun yung nakuha niya. So, hindi ko na matandaan talaga kung kanino mga yun. Pero si Natalia nakakuha siya ng Barbie kay Auntie Ashley niya yata. Tapos itong gymnastic kay ito yung iba. Nandito pa yung yan. Pinatanggal niya pa unti-unti. We have 2 days left. And actually, 1 day na lang yung ating elf on the shelf. But anyways, matutulog na ako guys. Good night.